Hey, what's up, Benjamin? It's our birthday today. Yes, we have been online for 1 year now and it's pretty exciting. Thanks for joining us on this journey. So what we're going to do today is make a cherry pie, and this cherry pie is a very special recipe that was handed down to us from a really lovely family friend. It's been a traditional recipe in her family for quite some time, and we've adopted it. So let me show you how it goes. So let's start off by draining the cherries. Now, I use these cherries, and you can use any cherries you like, whether you want to use fresh cherries or whether you want to use tin cherries or cherries in a jar that's really hard to open. And when that's the case, I've got this handy tool that my mum bought me, and you flick up the corners, hear the pop, make sure it's good all the way around, twist it, voila. Now this might be a messy job, but we need to make sure all the liquid is out of the cherries. Beautiful. So, once we've done that, we put the puff pastry into a 1 litre container. So this is a 1 litre baking dish, and I always use a bit of baking paper in the bottom. The easiest way to do this is to put on your baking paper over the top of your puff pastry. Any store-bought puff pastry will do, or if you're able to make your own puff pastry, by all means, homemade puff pastry is delicious. So we just place this in, like that, voila, and push it down. Perfect. And just to finish off the sides, we're going to cut a little bit more to put around the edges. The more rustic and rough it looks, the better. And now that's ready. So to make the filling, we're going to place eggs in a blender, processor, or a bowl if you have a bowl, and a good whisk, because we have to mix it all up and then it's going to be poured all over the top of our cherries. Now we're going to put in a teaspoon of vanilla. I do use the cap if I don't have a teaspoon handy. It is a close measurement. To that we then add 6 tablespoons of raw sugar. You can use white sugar, palm sugar, whatever sugar or sweetener is desirable to you. I have some cream here. Now this is 200 ml of cream and 300 ml of sour cream, mixed up in a jug and just poured in. Put the lid on. Now you don't want to mix it too much, otherwise you'll make your egg too fluffy. So now we have our cherries drained and our topping made. We're going to place it all together. So the baking dish, the drained cherries, make sure they're spread out evenly. Use your finger. Fingers were made before knives and forks, I was told, by a very reliable parent. And then the topping. Pour it all over, and it will come very close to the top. Beautiful. So this we will now put into the oven and we'll cook at 150 degrees. If you have a fan force oven, you might want to tweak it at 140 to 150. If you don't have a fan force oven, put it up to 160. This will go into the oven for around about 40 to 50 minutes. Check on it. You want to make sure that it rises. I'll insert some photos to show you what it needs to look like when it's ready to be pulled out and it's cooked.
Evening Venture Farmers, can't believe it's been 1 year since we started vlogging. Tess has made this beautiful cherry pie that you guys have seen. So if you watched it and liked it, please make sure you comment down below. It's an old recipe from a very good friend of ours and I hope you enjoy it. We certainly will.
If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you click that big red subscribe button down below and join the family.
Especially if you'd like to see some more awesome recipes like the cherry pie. There's adobo and other things to check out, as well as a whole heap of adventures.
I'd like to say a shout out to happy birthday to Selena in Germany, our cousin.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Selena!
birthday, Selena.
Birthday.
We should blow this candle out, hey, and dig in, yeah? Let's sing happy birthday.
It's melting
Let's
into
not
it.
sing
Let's sing happy birthday to ourselves. Come on.
Happy birthday to you.
Us.
Happy birthday to us.
Oh yeah. Happy birthday, dear Venture Fam.